Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to see the most recent tweet. First of all, open the Twitter application. Refresh your feed to see the latest events. Here is a tweet from 23 hours ago. Go to the search bar and type anything like holidays extend. Tap on the latest. Here are the latest tweets like 32 minutes before and 59 minutes before. Scroll down to see all the latest tweets using the words holiday extension. Now go back to the timeline and swipe left of the screen to open the left bar menu. Open your profile. Here you can tweet anything you want. Here are the views shown in your tweets. Scroll down your profile and you can see all your posts. Here you will find your tweets and tweets that you retweeted. You can also see the most recent tweets from a specific account by visiting their profile page and scrolling down their timeline. That is how you can see the most recent tweets. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below and I will see you in the next one.